Right now, every AI agent framework has its own way of defining agents. Each one uses a different strategy. Some rely on YAML configs, others use markdown files with specific architectures, and some require Python classes. So if you build an agent for one of these, essentially you're locked in. If you decide you want to try a new framework, you have to redo everything from scratch. And Git Agent solves this. It's an open standard, so you define your agent once, just as files in a Git repo, and then you can run that agent on pretty much any framework you like. Git Agent comes with a CLI that lets you build and run AI agents. In this video, I'll cover two main things. Init, which scaffolds a new agent repo from scratch. It creates all the files you need. And run, which pulls any agent from a GitHub repo or the agent registry and lets you run it directly in other platforms, such as Cloud Code, Codex, CrewAI, etc. Let's dive in. I'll start by installing the Git Agent CLI globally. I'm going to create a demo folder for the agent files. And now I'm going to initialize the Git agent. As you can see, all of the necessary files have been scaffolded, and in one command you have a full agent structure. Now let's take a closer look at these files. So it created a bunch of files for us. But here's the thing, only 3 files actually define your agent. Everything else is optional. First, the agent YAML. This is the manifest, your agent's config. Like name, model preferences, skills, tools, runtime settings. Think of it like a package JSON for your agent. You can see the preferred model set and an empty skills tools array ready to be filled in. And second, we have the soul markdown file. This is your agent's identity and personality, how it communicates, what it cares about, how it approaches problems. It's just a markdown file. So anyone in your team can read it, review it in a PR, suggest changes. Essentially, it's a template. You fill in who your agent is, its personality, what it's good at, how it communicates. And the third one is the skill file. Skills are reusable modules, like things your agent knows how to do. And each skill gets its own folder with a skill MD file, which describes what it does and what tools it needs. Front matter for the metadata, and then instructions in Markdown. You can write your own or install it from the registry. And everything else you see here, the rules, agents, knowledge, memory, hooks, all of these are optional. They're there if you need them, but you can start with just those 3 files and then add complexity as you go. Now I want to show you the other side, actually running an existing agent. There's a great agent on GitHub called Architect, built by Lizer. And in one command, we can get it up and running. It clones the repo, reads the agent YAML, the soul, all the skills. It's the full agent definition. And it launches it directly in Cloud Code. The argument at the end of the command is the adapter. It tells which runtime to use. So you could also use OpenAI, CrewAI, Lizer, and that would be the same agent, just a different runtime. And this is the power of having a standard. As you can see, that command also created a folder for the agent in our home directory. We can navigate to this folder and actually see the files that compose this agent. So to wrap up, Git Agent, it's an open standard for AI agents. Define your agent as a Git repo, run it anywhere, version it like code. It's open source and maintained by the team at Lizer.